Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I thought we'd try things on the couch today so that I have a bit more room in order to unbox this beauty with you. If you watched my fall favorites video, then you kind of know what's coming. I gave you a really big preview. That's my favorites video that includes my category for things that I really want. And in that video, I talked about my love currently for all things burgundy. It's not a recent really addition to my favorite colors. It's a color I've always absolutely love. What is in this box will then not come as a huge surprise, but I did tell you guys in that video that I was torn between a few similar options, and I really have been loving Farfetch because this second purchasing experience after my first Celine one was no different. The prices that I see on the site are what I get. It's all in, so it includes duties, and it got to me in 2 days, and the prices are seriously fantastic compared to all the stores and a lot of other online retailers as well. So I was really impressed. And we'll see if the bag itself matches up to my expectations. As you know, one of my favorite handbags that I own is my YSL College, and so it was time to widen my collection of YSL handbags a little bit. I feel like there's something like moving around in the box when I shake it. Bunch of paperwork, put that to the side. Look at that. So good. All like nice and wrapped up safely. Oh, I think this is what I was hearing rumbling. Interesting. Vitkac department store. I guess this is where it's from. Yeah, it actually shipped from Poland, so Farfetch has a pretty widespread European presence, and my bag came from a Polish department store apparently. Oh, interesting. Look, inside the box it says, "Turn me inside out." I guess that's if you take the box apart and then put it back together, and use as wardrobe storage. That's awesome. Because the box outside is kind of ugly, but then on the inside it's nice and white and clean looking. Cool. Well, for now, I think this box is going to be BB's. You want to come? She loves cardboard boxes. So excited and a little bit nervous, so as you can probably tell from the need to have scissors, I've not opened this, and I've actually had it for several days because, like I said, it came super fast. All right, I'm gonna pull it open, and I can already see that the color matches up to my expectations perfectly. It's a deep wine color. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So there's a tag on it. But the bag is so beautiful, you guys. Gosh, I'm so happy with it. So it has slightly aged looking gold hardware, and I love how modern that looks. From the website, I wasn't sure what that was going to look like, but I had seen this hardware on a bunch of other bags in the store, so I kind of figured that it would be pretty similar to this. And I'm so happy with it because it's not really aged, like it's not beaten up looking, and it doesn't even have quite as much of an aged look as the silver hardware on my YSL College. Size is pretty equivalent to my College. I might do a comparison video if you guys are interested in the Loulou versus the College, because I've had that bag for a long time and I absolutely love it. Definitely my top 3 all-time favorite bags, if not higher than that. And I just love the relaxed feel of the Loulou while still managing to be quite dressy. I would say a little bit more dressy than the College. And like a Chanel bag, it has the adjustable straps that you can wear long or doubled up. And as you may know, if you've seen a bunch of my handbag videos, I am an absolute sucker for chevron. And so I absolutely love how much chevron YSL has been doing. So it's stuffed right now. I'm going to remove the stuffing and show you the inside. So the inside of the bag, just like the College, is divided into 3 parts, but each part is a little bit wider. It opens a little bit wider, and then there's a middle section that's big enough for your wallet or any important documents like a passport or something like that. A back pocket for any small personal items, or maybe your phone. Actually, it would be perfect size, even the 6 Plus would fit in here easily. If you're familiar with Cartier Burgundy, it's pretty similar to that, tiny little bit more plum than that, but not a lot. It's pretty close. And I love that it's more of a wine than it is like a bright red or like a ruby red, because I think I will find that so much easier to wear. It really is a nice compliment to my favorite lipstick, which is YSL number 4, Rouge Vermillon, which is actually like kind of like a brick red to burgundy. So this is a really nice compliment to all sorts of things that I love. As you can see, it's also a lovely compliment to my burgundy scarf, which I'm currently taking pre-orders for on my site. And should I try it on? Okay, I'll show you what it looks like worn. So here's what it looks like worn. I'm going to snip the tag off because, unsurprisingly, I'm extremely confident that I want to keep it a bit longer like this, or even on my frame, I could wear it crossbody like this. I don't see myself doing this a lot. I'm not a crossbody kind of person. But it's always nice to have options. It comes in silver hardware or gold hardware. It's just such a great everyday bag. I think a medium-sized bag like this can never do you wrong. It's such a great investment. I could definitely see the price point for the Loulou going up. I think the collège has definitely gone up since I bought it, but still, as compared to other designers, I think the prices at Saint Laurent are really, really fair, and I'm absolutely loving their aesthetic and the quality of their bags. The collège should be way more beaten up than it is, and I've gotten so much wear out of it, so this felt like a really smart purchase that will do me well through the fall and winter, and I'm so excited to add it to my handbag family. If you'd like to see the rest of my handbags, I did do a collection video this summer, so I will link it down below. And if you would like to see a comparison, then let me know in the comments down below, and I'd be happy to do that. So I'll leave it at that. Thank you so much for watching and sharing this moment of unboxing with me. If you'd like to see my next installment on style, then make sure you give this video a like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!